बाणावलीच्या सांत आलोशियस हायस्कुलाक 100 वर्सां पुराय जाल्ल्यान तो दीस व्हडा दबाजान मनयलो। मास, केक कटिंग आनी हेर उपक्रमाचो हे कार्यावळींत आस्पाव आसलो। पळयात काय उमेदीचे खीण।
And fulfillment, we have to remember that we cannot achieve any of it by living in a bubble of self-interest. For we are part of humanity, and until everyone progresses and has the opportunity to fulfill their potential and transform their dreams into reality, our goals will only be mileages. For these mileages to become oases, we need to not only work hard and dream big, but also strive to use our research capability to innovatively address the real problem that our nation faces. My dear friends, as today we celebrate this jubilee, I want to convey my deep appreciation to the school. My heartiest congratulations also goes to the manager, to the headmistress.
गोवा 365 खातीर रमेश नाईक राऊत, गौतमी गावकार आणि संगीता ओली।